a bar or a bus stop, I have the right to kill you right now because you're trying to take me over. Don't get stupid with me.
We're not going to get stupid.
You said we were walking out of here, now you're bringing up assault and everybody's going to get hurt again? Alright, don't change up your agreement. I'm going to try to walk with you.
Alright.
I love folks. Don't try to harm them. Keep your word. I can keep you safe. Alright? Don't worry about safety. I'm not a fucking murderer. Alright? Try to harm me. Try to harm you. Alright?
Do it.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Don't make me people.
Put it up! Move it up!
Get your hands up! Still got the knives in his hand?
Still got the knives in his hand.
Still got his knives in his hand.
Stepping up behind you. You moving?
Please don't hurt me.
His hands still armed.
Yep.
Can't move.
Get your hands out.
Get
Drop
your
the
hands
knife.
up.
Beam back. Right behind you.
Put your hands out to your side and drop the knife. Hands out to your side.
Bean bag! Bean bag!
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife. Still got the knife in his hand.
Negative effect.
You guys want to jog on him? I can get him on him.
Yeah. I don't want that knife in his head.
I'll be your hands free.
Alright, he's good. Somebody step on that right hand real hard.
He's got a knife in each hand. Knife in each hand.
Knife in each hand.
Rex, Los.
I got left.
Good on.
I'm gonna switch you.
Alright.
Good? You got lethal right there?
Yes. I have lethal.
Push it right in.
Where's that knife?
It's further away from you.
I didn't see where the other one went. Where'd the first knife go? Where'd the
The first knife's up there.
You need another set of cuffs? Yeah, we're good, man. We're rolling over, right? Okay. So you guys check that, make sure nobody else is here?
Yep, got it.
I'm with you.
Good on my right. I'm good here.
Another knife. Here? Yeah, somewhere else.
Here.
All right.